Today we introduce PowerPack, the portable DC fast charger. It's small enough to be tucked into the trunk of an electric car for true on-the-go charging. PowerPack supports quick plug, industrial socket, and air switch connections, enabling EV charging wherever power is available. Plug and charge. Fully ISO 15118-2 compatible, makes charging effortless and secure. During the race, multiple PowerPack units are deployed simultaneously to provide fast and efficient charging for electric motorcycle teams. PowerPack's fast DC output provides instant, reliable charging for high-demand racing. From urban commutes to high-demand racing, the PowerPack series delivers portable, fast, and flexible charging in 10 kilowatts, 30 kilowatts, and 60 kilowatts options. So this is the PowerPack, the portable DC fast charger.